From this to this. Anybody can sell you a fireplace, but nobody can install it like we can at Artisan. We arrive promptly as agreed. We prepare quickly by protecting all areas from any dust or debris. We're Corgi and gas safe registered and do all the relevant safety tests before we start. We test the whole house for any leaks before we turn off the gas. We remove your existing fireplace, leaving it neatly for disposal. We tidy the installation area and remove your old appliance and prepare for the new one. We unpack your new fireplace and fire, taking care not to damage any part of it. But remember, if it was found to be damaged, your Artisan guarantee covers its full replacement. The installation begins by bricking up the existing lower flue opening, so avoiding any drafts through the new installation. The base is now set for the new gas fire, and the decorative hearth section is installed neatly, and both the hearth and the fire are levelled perfectly. The fire is connected and the hearth protected from the next part of the installation. A core drill is put neatly through the outside wall, ensuring no damage is done to the existing stonework. The flue is then attached and the flue pipe connected safely and neatly in place. The gas is reconnected and tested once again to prove we have no leaks on our new installation, and so providing no leaks in the whole house. The fuel bed is set and all flue joints sealed, leaving the gas fire fitted and raring to go. The gas fire is then bricked in to protect the intense heat from transferring to the new chimney breast and surround. Blocks and insulation layers are the key to no cracks after the installation. The new chimney breast is formed to scale to suit your room size and the fireplace you've chosen. It's solidly constructed in timber with plasterboard screwed firmly together. It includes vents to transfer and utilise the warm air from within the newly formed breast. An Artisan installation is heat efficient, not only because we only sell high heat output gas fires, but because we over-insulate each installation to retain as much heat as possible, minimising any heat loss. Everything so far has maximised heat efficiency whilst maintaining our very strict health and safety code of practice. Now to what you've bought. We install your choice of surround, in this instance, a beautiful marble example with granite slip interior. The mantelpiece is fitted neatly in place and the guaranteed Artisan quality and levels maintained throughout. We use our own trained engineers, and plastering and finishing are our forte. A reminder that we're not only fire and fireplace installers, but we can boast being joiners, general builders and plasterers as well. We take time to complete the finishing touches. Every part of the new installation is cleaned perfectly. All the instructions for the fire use are explained in detail. We clean the floor and tidy up, leaving your room often cleaner than when we arrived. An Artisan installation should leave you feeling warm inside. Enjoy the warmth, not only knowing you have a beautiful fireplace of your choice, but knowing it's backed by the Artisan 2-year guarantee and knowledge we'll always be here for your annual servicing and for any mishaps that ever occur. There are those that could possibly match our prices. There are none that can match our installations. You only do it once, so why not do it properly? Artisan, the only name in fires and fireplaces.
Have you heard that hole-in-the-wall fires are not efficient? Have you heard that inset fires don't give off enough heat? Have you heard that you can't have a flat-screen TV above a hole-in-the-wall fireplace? Have you heard that if you don't have a flue, then you can't have a gas or solid fuel fire? Well, have you ever heard such nonsense? Artisan. There's only one name in fireplaces.
Come and see Artisan's stunning range of fires and fireplaces, and at prices to suit most budgets. We offer guaranteed quality and installation by our own Corgi-registered fitters. And of course, we also offer an Artisan free personal design service. Make that special trip to Artisan Fireplaces, Phoenix Mill, Brickhouse Town Centre, off Junction 25 on the M62.
Artisan's new multi-fuel and stove centre is now open at the Artisan Fire and Fireplace Superstore, Phoenix Mill, Brickhouse Town Centre, off Junction 25 on the M62. Bring a welcoming glow into your home with a visit to Artisan, the Fire and Fireplace Superstore. Imagine a fire and surround that includes fitting for less than £400. Well, at Artisan you can. You can buy a fire and surround for less than £400, and rest assured it will be expertly installed with a minimum of fuss by our own Corgi-registered fitters. Imagine some more at the Artisan Fire and Fireplace Superstore, Phoenix Mill, Brickhouse Town Centre, off Junction 25 on the M62. Come and explore our extensive range of fireplace and stove accessories at the Artisan Fire and Fireplace Superstore, Phoenix Mill, Brickhouse Town Centre, off Junction 25 on the M62.
Shirley and Frank knew they had to put some fire into their lives, but didn't know if they could afford it. Then at Artisan, they found they could have a new fire and fireplace fitted by Artisan's own installers from as little as £399. Magic! Why not invest in a classic model to keep you warm at night? Visit the Artisan Fire and Fireplace Superstore, Phoenix Mill, Brickhouse Town Centre, off Junction 25 on the M62, and put some fire back into your life.